Hi everyone, for today's video we're going to fix my soil tamper. This is an Olympia soil tamper, and what happened here is it actually broke on this end right here. So I was tamping on the ground. It looks like the inside of the wood is already rotten. So look at that. Some of the soil tamper actually have a screw right here where you can screw in your handle, but this one does not have that. So if you look around, you don't see any holes here. So what they do here is this is actually using a wedge technique. So basically they create a wedge into here and put in a wood to open it up and make it tight in this side right here. So to take this thing out, I think I'm gonna have to drill the wood until I can pull it out. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so let me show you. I can actually remove everything now. So let me go clean this thing up. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse this. I think I can still save this thing. I'll probably have to like cut it maybe about an inch above this line right here. So I think this part is still good. This is gonna be about this deep. Right now, still won't fit because this is a bigger size right here. So let's see, how can maybe I have to sand it a little, or maybe I'll use my blade. Looks like it's perfect now. We're gonna be sewing it straight down here, going down maybe up to here, so we can put our wedge in. So it's right there. Okay, so next I'm gonna be creating a wedge. So using this, maybe about, yeah, let's see, it should be good. So right here is perfect. See that thing has like a wedge right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be pushing this into the middle, and this will create that tight connection between the metal piece and the handle. So let me just straighten this out. So I'm just using this because this is a very tiny piece. So what I'm gonna do is like put this thing right here, and I forgot I need to drill a hole here so that this thing doesn't crack all the way up. Okay, so you want to find the end of your cut line and then drill over there. So just put the wedge like this. You don't want to put it all the way, okay? And then you want to insert it right here. That, just hit it a couple of times. Let's see. There we go. So now you have it. It's not moving anywhere. So that is tight now. So you want to test it out. Give it some pump. See, now you can see right now this is not moving. This is not going anywhere. So that's how you fix a broken handle in your soil tamper. And you notice right here it went all the way in, the one that I marked earlier, so we're good. This is all the way in. I have the wedge in, so this is not going anywhere. So I hope this video helped you. Please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel.